part flight simulator ride, part video game. This attraction in the heart of Batuu lets you take the fastest hunk of junk in the galaxy on a mission to Corellia. Welcome, not so foolish mortals. This is Mouseterclass.
Thank you. Thank you.
I always wanted to check out.
Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. En route for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed. You let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. Wow, the First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Welcome, my friends. Right this way. Nothing to be afraid of. Yeah, just kidding. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Onaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and go make Hondo some money.
Travelers right this way, all bags at your feet.
Unsupervised younglings. Por favor, permanezcan.
Engineers, automatic repair engaged. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Only once, pilot. You won't be able to steer with it. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. No, gunner. Auto weapons engaged. Right, pilot. Hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right, pilot. Make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that plane. Right, pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Got one! Excellent, my friends! The power of the ship! Well, I can go axial! You see, just as I promised, my friends! Come on, let's get another container of coaxium! Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car! The galaxia! I will grab it! You keep up to the train! Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous! Things are getting too hot! Just get out of here! Yes, a distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! It's coming down! Right, pilot! Hit the boosters! Boost! We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out! Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxia. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Ooh. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. R5, damage report. Engine failure, alright. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures, well, it could be worse. Life support failure, that? Okay, that's something. I'm just going to cut you off there. It might be faster if you listen to parts that are not damaged. You know, the ones that help us to breathe. All right, time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way, trust me.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing has seen better days.